Hello guys, it's Martin again, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own NFT marketplace. And again, it will require no coding skills. This is the second part of the previous video, which you must watch and implement all the steps before continuing with this one. I really hope that this video is going to be useful to you, so don't hesitate to subscribe and click the bell. Part 3 is coming soon, where I'm going to show you how to deploy your NFT marketplace to a real website so it can be accessible by everyone. So let's begin. We are going to start right off the METAPLEX folder, which we downloaded in the previous video. The first thing we need to do is go under JS, Packages, Web, and select and open the env file. Here we are going to paste our wallet address. The easiest way to find it is under one of the JSON files of the images. Then go to terminal and type cd space js and then execute yarn install double-end yarn bootstrap. These commands will start setting up our project. After they are finished, type yarn start. This will begin starting our NFT marketplace. I have opened my browser and navigated to localhost 3000. On this address we are going to see the user interface of the NFT marketplace. We are running this project locally, so the time that it will take depends on the performance of the machine you are running it on. After it is finished, the browser will open automatically our Phantom wallet and it will ask for approval to connect to that marketplace. After loading some more, it will show a button to init the store. This will open our wallet and ask for approval again. After some more loading, a new screen will appear. Make sure you press the submit button in the top left corner. This will open our wallet and ask for approval again. Then go to the top left corner and click explore. This will navigate us to the home page of the marketplace. Then click the settings wheel on top right corner and choose DevNet as a network. You can see that your wallet is connected. Press on your wallet and go to create. On this page we can choose what type of NFT we would like to create. Click image and then upload a file. Now follow the steps on the screen in order to publish it. You can provide a title, a symbol, some description, a maximum supply, and of course some attributes. I will add the attributes that I added to the previous NFTs. I will add the aviator glasses and the Panama hat. On the next screen you're going to be asked for the royalty percentage and for the creator split share. Finally, in order to publish the NFT, you will be asked for a small fee transaction. It will automatically open your wallet and ask for approval. After all the steps are finished, it will ask for approval again. When the transaction is ready, you will see a success screen. There are some options on the success screen. We're going to choose to sell the NFT. This will navigate us to the page where we can list an item. You can achieve that also by going to your wallet and clicking sell. In the second tab on my wallet, you can see the NFT that we just created with all the attributes. We will now list it for sale. Choose the NFT that you want to sell and continue with the steps. You can provide how many tokens you want to sell and their price. Follow the steps until you see the progress bar loading. This process will again open your wallet and ask you for approval. After approving, you will see a success message that your NFT was listed for sale. Go to Explore on the top left corner. When it's loaded, you will see your NFT listed for sale. If you click on it, it will open a details page. There you can see all the properties and a bigger preview of the NFT. In my wallet there will be no NFT because it was listed for sale. Then by pressing the green button you can buy the NFT. It will automatically open your wallet and ask for approval. After the success message you can open your wallet and see that the NFT is under the collectibles tab. You can then navigate to My Items and you will see the NFT under Owned tab and under Created tab, because previously we created that NFT and now we own it. If you click on the View on Solana option, you will be navigated to the Solana website where you can see the transaction for that NFT. You can see the creator's wallet address, the maximum supply and the seller percentage fee, as well as all the transaction history for that NFT. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Part 3 is coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.